Okay, gigantic news. Tomorrow, Thursday, November 16th, from 3 to 5 o'clock, there's going to be the winter seller check-in with eBay. eBay. And they have asked me, Kings of eBay, to be one of the people, one of the speakers for their networking event. So tomorrow at 4:30 Eastern Standard Time, this is Thursday, November 16th, I will officially be partnering with eBay to be able to teach people about sourcing tips and tricks on eBay's site. If you want to join the Winter Seller Check-in, go to my link tree. There is a link that you can register and go to the event. You have to register. But also there's another giant thing. I've been saying to eBay for a long time that there's a ton of great people, great communities on TikTok and Facebook and Instagram, not just YouTube, and you need to pay attention to us. So they want me to prove that our community is massive. So here's the opportunity for us to do this. I am now a chapter leader on eBay for Boston Kings of eBay, a Northeast chapter, where we can do virtual and in-person events. I plan on doing a ton of virtual events with everybody that's big social media content providers teaching awesome stuff, but through eBay's site. If you join that, if we end up with over 1,000 people that are a member of the group, eBay said that they're going to pay attention to TikTok and these other channels. So please follow, join. It's in the second link in my link tree, and the first one's the winner's check-in. See you tomorrow.